Hello, welcome to Asiash Handmade channel. We are here with the 16th video of the Let's Crochet Together series. In this video, we will make picot stitch together. To learn how to crochet step by step, you should definitely check out my Let's Crochet Together playlist. Let's start. The picot stitch is a decorative crochet technique often used to add a textured, lacy edge to your project. Here's how to make it. Complete the stitch you're working on. Make 3 chain stitches. Insert your hook into the base of the chain, it seems like V. Yarn over, and pull through all loops on the hook. Proceed with the next stitch in your pattern. This creates a small loop or bump, the picot, that gives your work a decorative edge. Complete the stitch you're working on. Let's do it again. Make 3 chain stitches. Insert your hook into the base of the chain, it seems like V. You can adjust the size of the picot by changing the number of chains, e.g. chain 2 for a smaller picot, or chain 5 for a larger one. Yarn over, and pull through all loops on the hook. I recommend you visit my Etsy shop link in the description for easy crochet patterns with step-by-step tutorials. You can crochet lots of lovely things with these stitches. For example, I use picot stitch while I crochet the snowflake and lavender flower. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. See you on the next project. Happy crocheting!